guys, hope you're all well. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. This video is already titled, you know exactly what we will be doing. Alright, so I'm not wearing any makeup yet. The only thing I did, I used the brow pen. To begin with, I'm gonna quickly prep and prime my eyelids. So I'm gonna use the concealer and just a setting powder for that, and then we can crack on with a makeup look. So for this makeup look, I'll be using these two NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palettes in brights and in warm neutrals, just because it has the shades that I wanna use today. Basically can go for any eyeshadow palette that would have these colors. So from this we're gonna use this green color because this is what I'm concentrating today on, is this ready. And then from this palette we're gonna be using some brown shades. So I'm starting with the brights palette first. I'm gonna take this like orangey yellow color. It's gonna be our transition. So what I'm doing with this, I'm going higher than my crease is. I'm gonna blend it like way higher. So later we're gonna add another shade on. Slightly bit up to the brown. Slightly bit higher. Taking the Warm Naturals palette in this shade in here, and I'm gonna go with this color in exactly the same part like I did before, just I'm not gonna blend it that high up. So placing it where my orbital bone is. So if you have as many eyes as I do, we want this color to be visible. That's what I'm saying, place where your orbital bone is, so it makes more sense, I guess. Next thing I'm taking this darker shade. I'm just gonna use the same brush for now, and I'm gonna go with the shade in the outer corners of the mobile lid. Placing this color on the outer corner. I want it to be slightly bit dark in here. If you go a bit messy in this part, don't worry, we're gonna be cleaning this up. So what I'm doing, as you see, I'm going out the corner in the C shape. So next I'm taking the concealer and then just the eyebrow slash eyeliner brush. I'm going with this higher than my hooded eyes are because I want to see this cut crease part, this color at the top. Cut crease part is done. Now we just need to set it. So taking the setting powder and a clean brush. Coming back to the brights palette, and I'm gonna start with the lighter green in the inner eye corner, and then I'm gonna gradually go to this darker green in the middle of the mobile lid. I'm taking this darker green shade and I'm gonna go middle of the mobile lid. Alright, so before I'm gonna go with next step, I'm gonna quickly do a thin layer of the liner because I'm gonna be using the Eyeliner Pro Magnetic Lash System. So basically magnetic eyeliner and magnetic lashes. I said before, I did a proper video on how to use it. So basically you need to apply 3 layers of magnetic eyeliner before applying the lashes so it sticks on properly. So I'm just gonna go with a thin layer very close to the lash line, wait for it to dry and repeat it another 2 times. So before I'm gonna go with falsies, I'm gonna use some pearls on the cut crease part. That's what I was saying, if you mess it up, you're gonna cover it up with this. I got these, if you're wondering, from eBay. I think it cost less than £1. It was under the nail art pearls or nail art gem. I think it cost like 90p or something like that. good for now. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the falsies because I think the liner is already dry. As I said, I did 3 layers of this liner. Then I'm gonna do a face and then we can do a lower lash line. So these falsies, as I said, is a magnet, so it will stuck on super easy. There we go, and it's all super easy, right? So I'm gonna do exactly the same on this eye, put on foundation, you know, do a face and come back to you. Alright you guys, so I've done the face, the foundation, a bit of contour and so on. Let's finish off the eye look. So I'm gonna go back to the NYX Bryce palette. I'm gonna take this yellow shade and I'm gonna go with this all over the lower lash line. Also, when applying foundation, I kind of mucked up this inner eye corner that we applied the green shade, the brighter green shade. So I'm going back with a small lens brush, go inner eye corner. Bit of highlighter. I used today for my highlighter the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna use this shade in here. As you can see, I use this a lot. So use and abuse. I'm going this inner eye corner on top of this green shade. So next thing that I want to do is the waterline. So for that I'm going to use a NYX Pro Liner, Off Tropic Pro Liner in Mimosa Orange. Alright, so another part can be totally skipped, but I want to add a little bit more of these pearls in an eye corner in here. You don't need to go with this part if you don't wish. I'm going to use the smaller ones for this one because I just want to do like a clutter in here. And then I'm going to go with mascara and we're done. I'm going to go with bigger here and then add a few smaller ones. So today obviously I'm not going anywhere because country is still in lockdown and just, you know, creating this makeup look for pure purpose of fun. So I think I'm gonna film another few videos. It's gonna be more of the chatty videos. So next video I wanna talk about why I said no to the big bucks from a big famous makeup brand. So I think I'm gonna do that because I kind of want to share this story. And I think it might be interesting to know as well for, you know, people who are not aware. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Yeah, so makeup look is pretty much done. Just gonna put some mascara and that's it. For mascara I'm gonna go with NYX Worth the Hype one. And we're done. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this makeup look? Is it yay or nay? I, to be honest, don't know still how I'm gonna name it. I started this makeup look with kind of having an idea in my head, but I went totally with different look that I was planning going with. And to be honest, I always do this, like every time I'm creating a makeup look, I'm like having this idea, but then I do not completely different, but different makeup look than, you know, the way it looks in my head. But I'm really like happy the way it turned out. I hope you guys love this makeup look as much as I do and you found this video helpful, you enjoyed watching it. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm always saying this, but it's also so important. You're gonna support me like majorly if you're gonna do that and if you press that bell icon, whatever it is in there. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I would absolutely love to see that. I love it, you guys tagging me in your pictures recreating my makeup looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.